So, hi, I'm Kaushik and I'm a second year student at NIAT. In my 12th grade, our college used to send NIAT meeting links in the WhatsApp group. My parents checked that and will once go and check it out, like what will go in checking it. Then we came to a one day, we learned about their curriculum and what they'll teach over the 4 years and what are the degrees they give, and we liked it pretty much. One point of view is like they'll teach all the tech. That would be much easier if I learn from first year to fourth year on the tech. I can get jobs easily. I felt a little bit nervous, like it was a new environment, making new friends. It took me some time to blend in with them. When I compare it with my inter friends and all, like they are not learning the tech practically. They are learning the theory, but it doesn't help in writing the code manually, and that is a major difference for me. And coming to other lifestyle like fests and all, our NIT also conducts all them. I thought we'll get internships in second year, but never expected that it would be in the second semester. So it was quite a surprise for me. Till then I was also searching for internships outside the college. Like I told my parents first, they were super amazed. Like in the first year itself you got internship, but they were not that hyped up, so they gave me a small lecture also that you need to like learn from it, not overjoy that you got the internship, I can do anything. Like you need to learn step by step. We get the conditional internships in which we get the tech stack we need to learn. So NIT helped me like learning all those tech stack and doing some projects which company gave. The project which was given was CRM, Customer Relationship Management. Coming to the company name, it is ProdGain. Coming to my role, it is software developer intern. So the vibe is quite good. Like our founder is quite friendly at like yeah. I can directly approach him with doubts also. Like if he has a free time, then he'll directly help me with the doubts. My internship time duration is 1 year. After one week or two, like then we'll come into production and build real world application that they'll integrate in their websites. NIT is giving support regarding mentors and all. Like if Saturday is a week off for the holiday office, and if I have mood and some doubts, then I'll go to the college and clarify with one mentor that I am really close with, and that's how NIT is supporting me.